Speed, power, passion. When you hear the name Lamborghini, these are the first three words that come to mind. But today's car takes each of them to an entirely new level. This is the Lamborghini Huracán STO, born on the racetrack, but made street legal for the ultimate driving thrill. It's not just a car, it's a masterpiece of engineering, design, and pure adrenaline. From its razor-sharp lines and aggressive aerodynamics to the intoxicating roar of its V10 engine, it captivates you the moment you see it. This isn't just a drive, it's an experience that sends shivers down your spine. So, buckle up, and let's get closer to this incredible machine. Huracán STO stands for Super Trofeo Omologata, meaning Lamborghini has brought its race car technology straight to the streets. Its hood, roof, and massive rear wing are all engineered for maximum aerodynamic performance. Thanks to its carbon fiber body, it's lighter, sharper, and more responsive than ever. Under the hood lies a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 producing 640 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds, with a top speed of over 310 kilometers per hour. And the sound, that glorious, high-revving symphony, will make your heart race every time you touch the throttle. Inside, it's a driver's paradise. Alcantara racing seats, carbon fiber accents, and a cockpit stripped down for pure performance. Every detail reminds you that this is a machine built to win. The Lamborghini Huracán STO isn't just another supercar. It's the pinnacle of speed, technology, and emotion. It turns heads with every glance, stirs the soul with every rev, and delivers pure freedom with every drive. For those who live for speed, this could be your dream machine. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. So love speed, but drive smart. If this incredible car has amazed you as much as it has us, hit the like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more epic supercar videos, because we're just getting started, and many more legends are on their way.